exploring the hidden depths, 10 intriguing traits of human beings.
Mimicry Mastery. Humans possess an innate ability to mimic accents and gestures, aiding in social bonding and communication.
Neuroplasticity Prowess. The human brain's remarkable ability to rewire and adapt throughout life enables learning and recovery from injury.
Microexpression Insight. Humans can subconsciously detect fleeting facial expressions called microexpressions, offering insights into true emotions.
Intrinsic Compassion. Beneath societal conditioning, humans possess an inherent capacity for empathy and altruism, fostering cooperation and kindness.
Sensory integration. Human brains seamlessly integrate information from various senses, allowing for complex perception and understanding of the world.
Dream incubation. Humans experience dreams during REM sleep, serving as a mechanism for processing emotions, memories, and problem solving.
Subconscious influence. Humans are susceptible to subconscious cues, shaping behavior and decision-making without conscious awareness.
Tuition sensitivity. Intuition, often dismissed as irrational, reflects the subconscious mind's ability to process vast amounts of information rapidly.
Emotional contagion. Humans exhibit emotional contagion, mirroring the emotions of others, facilitating social bonding and empathy.
Perspective flexibility. Humans possess the capacity to shift perspectives, enabling empathy, creativity, and problem-solving in diverse situations.